सरलाई स्वागत छ। बस्नु सर।
Give them a huge round of applause.
मन भए मायालुको बास कुन ठुलो कुरा भएर, मन भए मायालुको बास कुन ठुलो कुरा भएर, गरेपछि त लगानी आश कुन ठुलो कुरा भएर, परीक्षा नदिए पनि केही फरक पर्दैन विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनी हो, भर्नासम्म त गरौँ पास कुन ठुलो कुरा भयो। भनी म ताली माग्दिनँ, तपाईँलाई जहाँ बजाउनु जस्तो लाग्छ त्यो बजाउनु। म पेट बिच्न आउनु फुर्सद पनि छैन मलाई, मेरो आफ्नै पेट मैले बिग्रियोस् होइन। तर यो भिडियो क्यामेरा खिच्नु भएको छ भने चाहिँ नहालिदिनुहोस्, किनभने मेरो ज्याकेट 17 ठाउँमा यही लागेर राख्नु। म इङ्ग्लिसमा अलिक कमजोर छु। यो स्पिकरको छेउमा बसेर एउटा कानको एउटा जाली चाहिँ हिँडे जस्तो लागेको छ है। हेर्नुहोस् माइक चेक गर्ने तरिका बल्ल 1 घन्टा लाएर टुवा चिची बनाएर बल्लपना आउँछ, अर्को छुट भनेर उडाइ त्यो होइन। पनि म आफूलाई अलिक च्यालेन्जिङ जस्तो ठान्छु क्या। मेरो चाहिँ यही समस्या, मेरो अलिक घन्टी पारेको छ हेर्नु। मलाई त जबरजस्त घोक्रे ठ्याक लाएर मुन्च्याएर लगेर स्कुलमा भर्ना गरिदिएको। मुन्डेश्वरीमा भर्ना भएकै दिन मिसले सोध्नुभयो, बाबु 5 पछि कति आउँछ? मतलब ट्यालेन्टको बाँकीमा राखेँ भन्ने 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 अनि 10 पछि चाहिँ मैले साथी बोलाएर भने गुलाम ऋषि भाषा मिसले सोध्नुभयो अस्ति किन स्कुल आएन? मेरो सबै कपडाहरू धोएर आमाले सुकाइदिनु भयो, कपडै सुकेन, त्यही भएर आएन। ठिकै छ। अनि हिजो पनि तिमी आएनौ भने हिजो आउँदै थियो मिसको घर अगाडिको बाटो आउँदै थियो, मिसको सबै कपडाहरू धोएर सुकाएको थियो, मिसको अर्को छैन होला आउनु भन्नु होला पनि थाल्यो। विद्यार्थी त्यो किन बुझ्थ्यो? फेल 2-4 पटक भयो। जसले किताब लेखेको थियो त्यसकै आत्मा पनि रोयो। यस्ताले के गरी खाला ठुलो चिन्ता यही थियो, पछि गई झन्डालाई देश हाँक्ने उही भयो, पछि गई झन्डालाई देश हाँक्ने उही भयो। श्री केपी शर्मा ओलीलाई 1 मिनटको समय दिन्छु।
मलाई ताजुब लाग्छ, मलाई आश्चर्य लाग्छ, मलाई अचम्म लाग्छ। आजभोलि त यी यस्ता बेलुनहरू देख्दा पनि पड्केर घाइते भइन्छ कि जस्तो कुरा। यहाँ पनि क्षेत्रज्ञमा पनि यो चाहिँ त्यस्तै खालको कार्यक्रम हो कि भनेर डराउँदै आएको थिएँ म। ठिक छ, यो शैक्षिक कार्यक्रम रहेछ।
निश्चित रूपमा अहिले हामी निकै ठुलो परिवर्तन पछिको एउटा व्यवस्था प्राप्त गरिसकेपछि यी प्राप्त उपलब्धिहरूलाई कसरी संस्थागत गर्ने र कसरी रक्षा गर्ने भन्नेमा छौँ। त्यसको असर शैक्षिक क्षेत्रमा पनि नपर्ला भन्न सकिन्न। क्षेत्रज्ञको एउटा के सुन्दर पक्ष लाग्यो भने विद्यार्थीहरूलाई बहुआयामिक ढङ्गले उहाँहरूले टिच गर्नुभएको रहेछ। यो निकै नै प्रशंसा गर्न योग्य कुरा हो। धन्यवाद।
अवसर कुरा त्यसमा चाहिँ प्रारम्भ रूपमा आइसकेको बोली पनि हाल सबै पूर्ण प्रधानमन्त्री प्रारम्भ शुभ भनेर भइहाल्छ। के गरेर यसै हो हामीलाई चाहिँ पटक पटक भयो 5 वर्ष प्रधानमन्त्री तपाईँ कोही हुनुहुन्छ कि यहाँ लास्ट हुन्छ यहाँ त्यतिकै हावा कुरा गर्ने जिस्काएको छ घिस्काएको छ बुढो मान्छे भनेछ र्याली बुढो भनेछ तपाईँ
साइड अभिभावक धन्यवाद दामोदर भुषाल सरलाई मायाले लिनु हुन सुषमा म्याडमलाई आग्रह गरेँ मैले
the struggles and the realization that sometimes the best time to act is right now. I'll do my revision later. I have plenty of time. I'll just play game for now. I love Free Fire. It's my favorite. But where has Buddha hidden my smartphone? Let me search.
Bishop, it seems you haven't started your homework yet. The test is tomorrow.
It's fine, Trish brother. I can do it in the morning. I'll have plenty of time then, and my mind will also be fresh in the morning.
You always say that, but you always end up rushing with no time even to eat your food. What if you forget something important and fail in the test?
Nah, I'll be fine. I'm quick learner. No worries.
It's okay then, as you wish. Good luck.
Oh, I found the mobile. Now I'll play the Free Fire game. Hit. Glowing, granite, AK-47, MP-40. Give me MP-5. Fast. Give me glowing.
Looking very tired. He has barely slept because he stayed up playing games instead of studying. Chris walks in, fully prepared with his books.
Good morning, Bishop. I finished my study last night. Ready for the test?
Morning, Trish brother. I didn't really study much. I'm just going to look over my notes now.
Bishop, it's almost time for school. You should have studied yesterday. You are going to be so stressed.
Oh, no. I should have listened to you, brother. Now I don't remember anything.
In the classroom. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all ready for the test today.
Good morning, sir.
Dixon looks nervous and stressed. Chris is calm and confident. Dixon, is everything alright? You seem a little anxious.
I didn't study enough, teacher. I put off until the last minute, and now I'm worried. I want to win.
Dixon, it's okay. We all make mistakes. But remember, putting things off only makes things harder in the end. You can't always leave things for tomorrow. Being prepared helps you feel confident and ready. After the test, the students are back in the classroom. Chris is happy with his results. Dixon looks a little disappointed. Well done, everyone. I'm proud of your hard work. But something or the other must explain Dixon's capability. What is that, Dixon?
I could have done better if I had studied earlier. I really should have listened to this brother. Free Fire has in fact made me a slave of it. I realized I shall now avoid all social media and use gadgets and internet only to boost up my study.
It's okay, Bishop. We all learn from our mistakes. But next time, you'll be ready if It really makes a big difference. Well, Dixon, in this I'd like to say that to overcome procrastination, you need to have an understanding of the reasons. Why you procrastinate? You can't come up with an effective solution if you don't really understand the root of the problem. Like, for instance, in your case, mobile game Free Fire is the root cause.
You're right, Krish brother and Saul. I won't procrastinate again. I'll make sure to study earlier next time.
Moral of the story, don't wait until the last minute. Procrastination only makes things harder. Start early and you'll be more prepared and less stressed. On the top are smartphones, tablets, pads and other misused digital things provoke and push us to procrastinate and to make excuses. We have to make use of them and they should not be allowed to use us. Thank you.